Hi guys, if you want Google Chrome to automatically reopen your previously opened tabs and windows when you launch the browser, then let's see how to do it. To enable, continue where you left off in Google Chrome. First of all, click on the three dots menu icon and then go to Settings. On the Settings page, go to on Startup Settings, and on Startup Settings, select the option Continue where you left off. Simply select it, and once you select this option, simply close the Chrome browser. And from now on, whenever you open the Google Chrome, the browser will automatically reopen all the tabs and windows you had opened in your previous browsing session. Let's check it out. So I'll simply open the Google Chrome. Here it is. And you can see the Google Chrome browser has automatically reopened all the tabs and windows from my previous browsing session. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily enable continue where you left off in Google Chrome. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.